Are you looking for a flexible way to earn extra income? Imagine making an easy $100 every single day, all thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. I'm going to show you exactly how. The digital landscape is changing fast. AI isn't just for big tech anymore. It's a tool for everyday people looking to create lucrative side hustles. Learn how to leverage it for consistent income. AI tools have exploded, offering unprecedented capabilities from automated writing to instant code generation. This surge is creating massive opportunities for those ready to offer specialized AI-assisted services. Our goal is simple: consistently generate $100 every day. We'll break down how to price your AI-powered services and secure the clients needed to hit this target daily. The foundation of a successful side hustle is choosing the right niche. You need a specific area where AI can provide significant value to clients. Think about services where manual labor is slow and expensive. High-demand areas include fast, high-quality blog post generation, small code snippets for websites, or initial design concepts using AI image generators. Before diving in, analyze your market. Who needs this service? What are competitors charging? Finding that sweet spot between demand and competition is key to securing your first clients. To maximize efficiency, you need to use the right AI tools and establish a professional presence for your service. Invest time in mastering the essential AI tools for your chosen niche, whether it's a robust language model for writing, an advanced image generator for design, or an AI coding assistant. Efficiency is paramount. Next, set up your storefront. Start with reliable freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or if you prefer more control, build a simple, dedicated website showcasing your AI-powered services. The way you structure and price your services will determine how quickly you reach that $100 per day goal. To hit $100 per day, you might aim for 10 $10 tasks, 4 $25 tasks, or one high-value $100 package. Structure tiered packages based on complexity and delivery speed to cater to different client needs. AI generates outputs quickly, but quality is your differentiator. Always review and refine the AI's work. Human editing ensures accuracy, context, and a premium feel that justifies your price. Once your service is ready, focused marketing and smart scaling are what turns a side project into a consistent income stream. Start by offering introductory rates or showcasing free samples to build a portfolio. Use targeted social media outreach or local business groups to find clients who need your specific AI-powered solution. As demand grows, look to automate non-AI parts of your workflow, such as invoicing, client communication, and delivery. This frees up your time, allowing you to handle more volume and increase your daily earnings easily. The $100 a day AI side hustle is achievable right now. It requires the right niche, the right tools, and a focus on quality delivery. Remember the steps. Choose a niche, set up your AI tool stack, price aggressively, and commit to marketing and quality control. Your AI advantage is waiting. Once you hit that $100 goal consistently, the sky's the limit. By expanding your service offerings and improving automation, you can easily scale this model into a full-time, high-earning business.